Chapter 2, The Poem on Responsibility, written by Charles Osgood. Hello students, the poem Responsibility will teach you to be responsible. Actually students, whatever you do in your life, no matter right now you are a student, so being a student, being a sports person in future, you all will be professional. So being professional, do whatever no matter, but being responsible is key for success in life and for being a successful person. If you want to be a successful or a peaceful person who want to achieve the goal and aim of your life, you need to be responsible. In any field of the life, you must have to be responsible, and that is what we will learn in this poem. As for example, if you have switched on something, it is your duty to switch it off. If you have taken something from somewhere, it is your responsibility to take back again there. So this is what responsibility, and that we will learn in this lesson, in this poem. Hello students, before we start we need to discuss on few questions, as this poem is actually about responsibility, and this poem actually will teach you to be responsible. So actually here you have to answer few questions, such as the first question is, what are the qualities that one should have in order to succeed in life? So actually you have to think yourself, and you should first answer that what qualities you should have to become successful in life. But it is also important to know what is the real success and what is the success. That's also important to know. I will tell you what is the success, but as of now we just see the few words which are important to be successful in our life. So to be a successful person, to be successful in your life, you need ambition, willpower, integrity, drive, patience, optimism, resilience. So this should be the answer of the question that I asked. Actually, not I. It is the writer. It is being asked in the book. What are the qualities that one should have in order to succeed in life? If you want to have a successful career as a professional person, as a successful professional person, you need to have these qualities. And besides this, I would also like to add ambition, willpower, I would also like to add punctuality. You must have punctuality also, and including these qualities, and discipline. One of the most important quality is discipline also. In every aspect and in every field of life, discipline is also key.